In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do mind mapping in Miro. To get started, open Miro and go to your board. You can use any existing board, or you can open a fresh one if you prefer a clean space. Once the board loads, take a moment to orient yourself. The main canvas is the open area in the middle, and this is where your mind map will live. It helps to zoom so you can see plenty of empty space, because mind maps tend to grow quickly as you add branches. Next, look for the highlight tool in Miro and click on it. Highlight is useful because it lets you quickly mark areas and create visual focus while you build your map. In mind mapping, clarity matters, and using highlight can help your main topic and key branches stand out at a glance. After you select highlight, your cursor will be ready for you to add your content. Now type in your highlight. This is where you will add the text that becomes the starting point of your mind map. Keep this first entry short and specific, since it represents the central idea. Using a clear label makes it easier to build meaningful branches later and prevents confusion when your map expands. When you type, aim for a few words rather than a full sentence. That keeps your mind map scannable and easy to read. As you enter your text, place it in a spot with room around it. Give yourself space on all sides so you can continue adding related ideas outward. If you need to adjust readability, you can keep your text concise and make sure the highlight sits neatly on the canvas. A tidy starting point makes everything that follows feel more organized. Once your highlighted text is on the board, you have created the foundation for your mind map. From here, your next additions will naturally build around that central label as you continue mapping your ideas. And that is all there is to it.